This is Filipina teacher in America. Long time no see to everyone. I hope you guys are safe and in good health. So for today's video, I want to share with you some strategies to motivate students learning in the classroom because that is our goal, right? As we go to our classroom, our goal is to let them learn with the different skills that we plan for the week. So, which is why I came up with this video, and I'm going to use my PowerPoint to share with you what are some strategies that I need to do whenever I am in my classroom so that my students will going to learn what I'm trying to teach them.